To start a conversation with a girl over text, try bringing up something relevant or timely so you're not just texting her hey out of the blue. You could text her something like, "Hey, I'm super stoked for the game tonight. Are you going?" Or, "It was so crazy running into you at Starbucks today." Or you can even text, "I can't get over what Mr. Smith said in English class today." Another great option for when you're texting a girl is first to ask her open ended questions, like, "Are there any good movies you'd recommend watching?" Or, "I'm bored of all my music. Do you have any good recommendations?" Or, "I need food, but I don't know what to make. Any suggestions?" Or you can send her a funny video or picture you found online paired with a, "I can't stop laughing," or "This is totally me." Once she responds, keep the conversation going by asking about her interests. "What does your ideal Friday night look like?" could be an example. You can also share any interesting stories that happened to you recently. "You'll never believe what happened to me the other day." And maybe asking if she wants to hang out sometime. "I've never been there before, but maybe we should go sometime."